So good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? How are you,
I'm
ma'am?
doing great. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Fine.
Okay. How are your exams going on?
Yes, ma'am. Today's maths exam in
Today's
7
maths
7 p.m.
Okay. Mathematics exam.
yesterday was
Have you all prepared?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We all are prepared.
We all
well
have prepared.
prepared.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So, do you remember what we learned in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
What was it?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Don't give mass answers. I'll ask. Okay. Can Anamika tell me?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
chapter 2, Introduction to Windows 7.
Introduction to Windows 7. So we started a new chapter, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah.
What is the title of the chapter? Roshit, tell me. What is the title of the new chapter?
System.
No. Introduction to
Window.
Introduction to Windows 7. Okay. And what is the first thing that we learned in the chapter, Niharika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What did we learn in the chapter? What do you remember from the last class?
Windows 7.
Windows 7. Yes.
Windows 8.
Windows 8. Yes.
Windows 9.
Windows 9.
Windows XP.
Windows XP. Okay. Good. Very good. Now, who will tell me? Ameya. Yes. What else did we learn in the chapter? In the last class? Ameya?
Ma'am?
Yes. You can hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Windows 7. Windows XP. All these are examples of dash. What is it? Anyone?
Operating system.
Very good. Operating system. All these are examples of operating
Operating
system.
system.
Okay. Now, who will tell me what an operating system is? Agnes, you want to try?
Operating system.
Hmm?
OS.
Hmm? It is the main
It is a computer program
computer
that-
program.
that manages
Yes. All other
or other programs.
correct. Very good. Very good. So it is the main program, or it is the main software in a computer system. Okay. What is OS? What is the full form of OS? Operating system.
Operating system.
Yeah, operating system. OS, the full form of OS is operating system. Now, do you remember we saw a video in the last class?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
There were two types of operating systems mentioned in that. Do you remember?
Yes. Yes.
What was it? I'll give you a small clue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It is dependent on the type of users. How many people use the operating system or the computer system?
Single user operating system.
And one more.
Operating system.
Single user. That is correct, Rashid. One more. One more was there.
Multi-user operating
Very good. Very good. Multi-user operating system. Okay. That is not there in your textbook, but still, it's good to know about it. Okay. Single user and multi-user operating system. We learned about two types: single user and multi-user operating systems. Okay. Now, single user operating system. Okay. Single user operating system. Where do we use it? Oh, before that, how many users are there for single user operating systems?
One user.
Very good. Only one user, because it's there in the name itself, isn't it? Single user. Single means
One.
one. Yeah.
One.
When you order food through online delivery apps, you can order single biryani, isn't it? Which means only one person can eat it.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Just like that, we have single user operating system, which means at a time only one person can use it. Okay. And can you give me an
Ma'am.
example of a place where we use it?
Place.
Like where do we use single user operating systems?
Home.
Home, at
Home.
home. Very good. We use it at
Office.
Home.
Office.
offices and all. It's multi-user because at a time so many people can use it. Okay. In hospitals and railway stations and all, it is multi-user operating system. Okay.
Okay,
Clear,
ma'am.
right?
It's clear.
Yes. And do you remember the examples other than Windows 7 for operating systems? Who will tell me? Who knows the answer? Just raise your hand. Nora.
Windows 8.
It's not window, it's Windows. Plural.
Windows 8.
Yes, Windows 8.
Windows 10.
Windows 10.
Windows 9.
Did we learn Windows 9? It's okay. Windows
No.
XP. Linux.
Windows
Okay,
8.
Linux was also there. Okay. Now I give you one more general information regarding Windows. Which is the company that made Windows software? Which is the company?
Microsoft.
Very good. Microsoft. That is the company that made or introduced Windows software. Okay, that is why Windows 7 or Windows 10, it is also called MS Windows 7 or MS Windows 10. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
Now, we learn a little bit more about Windows 7. This whole chapter is about Windows 7, but today, in today's class, we learn a little bit of information regarding Windows 7. Okay.
Ma'am,
Please.
Okay.
Yes. Any
can
doubt?
you mute all everybody?
Yes, I will. Okay. So take your rough books. Okay. Now, do you know in which year this Windows 7 was introduced? Anyone?
200. Ma'am, 209.
2009.
2009.
Very good.
2009.
Again, Windows
2009.
Windows 7. Please don't draw on the board, children. Okay. Windows 7.
Ma'am, we need to write.
Yeah, you can write in the rough book. You can write in the rough book. Okay. No need to write in the notebook. I'll give you the fair notes through the WhatsApp group. Please write in the rough book and study. This is for you to
Ma'am.
learn for the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Windows 7. Devamitra, please write. Windows 7 was introduced. Was introduced. Introduced means for the first time it came up in the year. Windows 7 was introduced in the year which year?
Yes, ma'am. Come.
Which year? Which year?
Which year?
Which year?
2009.
Yes. In the year 2009. Okay. So if I give you this question and I give this as blank, I'll give you three options: 2009, 2010, 2011. Which will you write?
2009.
2009. Okay. Windows 7 was introduced in the year 2009. By whom? By whom? Or which company?
Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Very good. Microsoft. Microsoft. Should I read the spelling of introduced?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
I-N-T-R-O. Once more. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E-D. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E-D.
Use.
I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E-D. CED.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm finished.
Yes. Instead of instead of the sentence, we can also say that Windows 7 was launched in the year 2009. Okay. Windows 7 was launched in the year 2009. That's the same meaning. It was introduced in the year 2009 or it was launched in the year 2009. All right.
Okay.
Yes. Any doubt?
No.
No. Okay. Now, one more thing. Have you heard of this GUI?
No.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Just write the full
Understand,
form,
ma'am.
then I'll explain. It is known as graphical GRAPH.
Ma'am,
Graphical, yes.
Ma'am,
Graphical user,
user
yes.
interface.
Interface. Okay. Graphical user interface. Abel, please write. Graphical user interface. Graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface.
Yes. Till now
Yes,
we
ma'am,
learned two
completed.
full forms, isn't it? One is
Yes,
for
ma'am.
OS and one is for GUI. Okay. What was the full form of OS? Parvana,
Operating system.
so many Parvanas in the class. Okay, it will be operating system. And what is the full form of GUI?
Graphical
Graphical user interface. It's not intra, it is interface. Interface. Yes, graphical user interface.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Completed writing, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Completed.
Okay,
Yeah.
finished.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
stop sharing.
Yes.
You can, ma'am.
All right. Now, what is graphical user interface? From the name, can you understand anything?
Oh, ma'am.
GUI.
GUI. That I also know. Graphical user interface means GUI. Graphical user interface is a full form for GUI.
Short form.
Now, what does this GUI has to do with our Windows 7?
Graphical is
Graphical means
we can
we can
have
we can
tell, ma'am.
we can
One graphical user interface.
yeah, that is okay, that is correct.
Okay.
Now what is that? What is that thing?
Graphical is
Okay, let's imagine a situation where you want to play a game. Okay, you want to play a game. How many of you play computer games? Okay, let's ask Andrina. Andrina, tell me. Imagine you have switched on the computer, okay, and you're sitting in front of the computer. How will you start playing that game? Tell us the steps. Others, please mute, children. Please mute. Others, please mute. Okay, Andrea. Sorry, Andrina, tell me. How will you start the game? Unmute first. You cannot unmute. What happened?
Ma'am,
Should I ask Rida? Rida Mehreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rida, tell me. If you want to play a game, how will you start the game? You have switched on the computer and you're sitting in front of the computer. Okay, that is the situation. Now, how will you play the game?
First, I will switch on the Windows 7.
Ah, that is already switched on, isn't it? When we switch on the computer, the operating system will start up.
Yes.
Yes. You have a screen. You have the desktop in front of you. Now,
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
you do? If you just speak to the computer, my dear computer, I want to play a game. Can you start my favorite game? Will it start on its own?
Windows 7?
Will it start on its own?
No.
No.
ma'am.
Yeah,
No.
obviously it will not. So what should you do?
Install.
What should you do?
Ma'am, Agnes.
Okay, what is Agnes telling? Let me hear from her.
We have
Unmute.
to install.
You have to install the game. Okay, that is correct. Imagine if that is already installed. Then what happens?
We have to open that game and play.
We have to open that game and play. That is as simple as that, isn't it?
Ma'am,
But how will you open it? Rishit, how will you open that game?
to click with mouse.
You have to?
Click with mouse.
To click,
You have to
click with
First,
mouse.
you have to point on that, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to point on that game on the screen. What do you call that? You call it icon. Game icon, isn't it?
Good.
Yes.
Yes. You have to point on that using the mouse pointer. Then you will
Click the
click.
game.
Yes,
Click
you
the
click
game.
on that. Then it will open up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
I did not install the game that time. I will type game for girls.
You will type. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
also one method, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can use the keyboard,
Yeah.
the arrows and all.
Yes.
Isn't it? The
Yeah.
arrows, and you
That
can
time I
move
can
right, left, or up and down
Yeah.
using it. Isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So in all the graphical user interfaces, we can use this mouse or the keyboard or an input device to give commands to make it work. Okay.
Ma'am.
There are different other types of interfaces, but you don't have to study all that. We are studying about GUI because Windows 7 is a GUI. What is the full form of GUI again?
Graphical
User
Yes, very good, very good.
Interface.
Graphical user interface.
Interface.
So, can you just take a fresh page and draw a screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Screen.
Yeah.
Like if this is a monitor, okay? If this is your monitor, then what all things appear on that screen? If you switch on a computer, what all things appear on that screen?
We have to draw this.
You have to draw according to your imagination. Whatever you have seen on the screen, just draw.
We draw computer.
Computer screen, yes. Not the whole parts, dear, just the monitor and the screen. Okay. Whatever you see when you switch on a computer, just draw that. Aiden, Rishit, and Chinmay, please switch on your videos. Ramin, I want you to draw. Please don't sit simply. If you are finished, please show me. Just a rough figure is enough, okay? Yes, Janita. Can you tell me what all things are there on that screen?
Ma'am, I don't keyboard A B C D then 1 2 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah.
But when you open the screen, is that what you see? Do you see 1, 2, 3 there?
No.
Then
Many E.
Ma'am, I see mouse.
hmm?
I see mouse.
Mouse.
Pictures.
Pictures. Okay. Then what else?
Pictures,
Hmm?
for
Photos.
videos.
Videos.
Videos. Will you see small things here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Icon.
Will you see a bar here?
Yeah.
Ma'am. And
Yes.
we will open the letter. We can see the
Small
starting
something.
boxes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Starting
Yeah.
boxes. All right.
Boxes.
Hmm.
Then we can.
Hmm.
Then we
can.
we'll open the desktop.
Hmm.
Like contains Google Photos,
Uh,
Safe Money, D-Link,
uh.
and videos.
Oh, all these things are there in your computer
Yes.
screen, Agnes. Is
Yes,
it?
I am
All
using
right.
computer.
Okay, fine. I understood. Yeah, Ameya is also showing me the picture. Also. Yes, good. Okay, now again, yes, very good, Rida. Rida, is that a mouse pointer?
Yes,
Yes. Rida has also drawn a mouse pointer. Okay, good. Yeah, Agnes. Yeah, Devamitra. Good. Rex.
You can.
Yes, I can see
Ma'am,
Janita.
Nora.
Nora. Yes, good. Now, let me ask you again.
Yeah, ma'am.
If you want to select one of the folders here, or maybe any files here, what will you do?
Okay, ma'am.
You'll again
We will
drag
click-
the mouse pointer, isn't it? There will be
Yeah.
a mouse pointer like this. You'll drag
Yeah.
that to whichever file you want to open or whichever folder you want to open. Then you'll click on that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So without giving any other commands directly, we can use the mouse or you
Yes,
can
yes.
use the keys in the keyboard also. And you can open it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And even for playing games also, you can use the mouse or the keyboard, isn't it?
Keyboard.
Yeah, if it is
Yeah,
Temple
ma'am.
Run, you can use left and right keys of the keyboard. Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So all the interface in whichever system we can use this mouse or the keyboard to give the inputs and give the commands, then that is called the GUI. What is GUI again?
Graphical user.
Graphical user interface. Yes,
Mouse.
Janita? Mouse. Yes. Okay. So that is it. So Windows 7 was introduced in the year or launched in the year
2009.
2009. Okay. 2009. If a question comes, in which year was Windows 7 launched? What will you write?
2009.
2009. Same meaning. Okay. Introduced in the year 2009 or launched in the year 2009. You can use either terms. Fine. Now, we also learned that Windows 7 is a GUI. What is it? GUI. GUI. What is it? What is GUI?
Graphical user.
Graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. Arfin, what is GUI? What is the full form of GUI, Arfin? Graphical
is the
interface. Repeat once more. Graphical user.
interface.
Very good. Graphical user interface. Zishan, what is the full form of GUI?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Graphical user interface.
Very good. Graphical user interface. Felix.
Yes,
What is GUI?
Graphical uses of interface.
It's not uses, user.
User
One user. User. Interface.
interface.
Interface. Graphical user interface. Now, what is the full form of OS, Aryan? What is the full form of OS? The last class we learned. What is the full form of OS? OS.
Operating
Operating
system.
system. Operating system. Very good. Operating system. Now, which is the main program or the main software in a computer system? What is it called? Who will tell me? Heaven. Heaven.
Ma'am.
Yes. What is the main program or the software in a computer called, which controls all other programs or softwares? It's the first thing that we learned in this chapter.
The question.
What do you call the main program or the main software of a computer that controls or manages all other programs and softwares?
Windows 7.
Windows 7 is an example. What do you call that? What is the main term given? What is Windows 7? It is an operating system. Okay, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 11, all these are examples of operating systems. Okay, Windows 7 is just a name. Okay, it is an operating system. Okay, because just like us, you all are students, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, but you have your own names.
Yes.
Shiva, Felix, Niharika, Ishan. So many names are there.
Ma'am.
Okay, yes.
I draw it.
I drew it. Not draw, I drew. Okay, good.
Right now.
Fine. Okay, so we'll learn more about Windows 7, about desktop, about icons and all in the next class.
Okay,
Coming
ma'am.
classes. Okay,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have, do you know wallpaper? How to change
Yes,
your
ma'am.
wallpaper?
I know, ma'am.
Yes.
Wallpaper.
We'll learn about wallpapers. We'll learn about screensavers.
Yes.
We'll learn about icons
I
of a computer. Okay.
Mouse.
All these are regarding Windows 7.
7.
All right.
Yes.
So those who have not completed writing, please write the full
ma'am.
form and this. I'll take the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
So for the next class, study and come. What is GUI? The full
Ma'am.
form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And don't forget this. Don't forget this year, 2009.
Okay, ma'am. Completed.
Those who have not written, please take down. Others, please wait.
GUI full name is graphical user interface.
Okay. Adnan K. Wahab. Adnan.
Present.
Okay. Agnes Wilson.
Present, ma'am.
Abel Rinson. Abel Rinson. Present. Aiden Dias.
Present, ma'am.
Aiden Rojo.
Present, ma'am.
Ameya.
Present, ma'am.
Anamika.
Present, ma'am.
Andrina. Present.
ma'am.
Anna Mary.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anunaya.
Present, ma'am.
Arfin Ali.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan.
Present, ma'am.
Avantika.
Present,
Ayan.
absent.
Chinmay.
Ma'am. Present,
Okay. Devamitra.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Dia Denny.
Present. Present, ma'am.
Dia Denny. Present. Yes. Who's calling me?
Able.
Abel, I've marked your attendance. I saw you had a connectivity issue in between. Emmanuel Sijo. Present. Esther.
Absent.
Esther is absent. Okay.
Present.
Where is Esther? Felix,
Present, ma'am.
Heaven,
Present, ma'am.
Ishan,
Present, ma'am.
Janita,
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Raj,
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Imran Ali. Absent. Muhammad Zishan,
Present, ma'am.
Niharika. Niharika.
She's present.
Okay. Niranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Then Nora.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Parvana.
Present, ma'am.
Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Ramin.
Present, ma'am.
Rex.
Present, ma'am.
Rida Mehreen.
Ma'am.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Risa Rose. Risa Rose. Risa's absent. Rishit Vinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Roshid.
Present, ma'am.
Tara Mariam.
She
Not
left,
there,
ma'am.
no?
She
Yeah.
left to
Serafina.
school.
Serafina. Absent.
Absent.
Suhana Anzil.
Present.
Ma'am,
Suhana. Yes,
Present down,
present.
ma'am.
Tiva. Tiva. Present. Okay. Thank you then. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Tea and come. Okay.
Bye.